Welcome back to my channel, guys. In our last video, we created this business page on Facebook. So today we're going to be creating the cover photo for this and also the logo. We're going to be creating the design in Canva. So if that is something that you want to know how to do, then stick around and let's just go straight into it. This is the design that we'll be making in Canva. We can use one of their templates or we can make our own custom design. So I want to show you how to do both. So let's just go straight over into Canva now and see how we can make something like this. Here we are in Canva and this is the home page. I'm in the Canva app for desktop. You can do this on your phone. You can also do this in the browser version on your desktop as well. If you've never used Canva before, don't worry. Just follow the steps I'm about to take. What we're going to be doing in here is creating a Facebook cover. Canva has presets for all the different social media platforms. So if you look up at the top here, you can see different things that you can select. What we're looking for is Facebook cover photo. So you can select it from here. You can see that the size is 851 by 315. So just click this and it will open up to this blank canvas here. You can zoom out a bit to ensure that you are seeing the entire canvas. Now, this is where you can go ahead and let your imagination guide you, or you can start with one of their templates. To view their templates, you can click on design up here, and then to your left, you will see templates loaded up that you can click on and start to use. These are already of the same size for the Facebook photo. So once you click on any one of these, it will load up into your canvas and you can go ahead and edit it and download it and you're good to go. So that is the power of Canva. You don't have to sit there all by yourself trying to figure out what the design is going to be and how you're going to make it. No, you can select a template, edit it for your business, download, and that is it. To edit this, you just need to select it, then give it your name. Let's say Imagine Sweets. And then you can just add anything else you want down here. Delicious cupcakes, whatever. Once you're done, you just go up to share, then select download and download. And that is it. So your image would be downloaded, and once it's downloaded to your computer like this, you can then go ahead and upload that to Facebook. But today we're going to be making our own design. So let's go ahead and delete this. So I'm back now to a clean canvas. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to do is to get a background image. Now I'm going to be using images that I uploaded for my design. So I'm going to go over to my uploads tab here. To upload your images, you will just select upload files and then go and find wherever you have your images saved and upload them using that method. Now, I already have the images I want to use uploaded, so I'm just going to go ahead and search for them. So like I said, the first thing I'm going to do is to add the background image. So I'm going to scroll down, and this is the image I want to use for my background. So I just select it and then resize it by pulling on the edges just like this. Once that is done, I also want to give the image some blur, so I'm going to select it, go to edit, then go to blur, and then I want to select whole image and increase the intensity just a bit like that. Close this, and there I have it. Now I want to add in my logo, so I'm going to scroll back up, select my logo, and I'm going to resize it just a bit so that it fits in the center of the image. Now you want to ensure that anything important that you don't want to get cut off is in the center of your design, because when it resizes for mobile, it will resize in such a way that it cuts off some from the left and some from the right, and you don't want like a piece of your logo to be cut off on mobile. So just ensure that you have your important things in the center of the image. Now the image and my logo are kind of clashing because you can see right here they are almost the same color. So I'm going to add an overlay to my image to make my logo pop out a bit more. So I'm going to go over to elements. Under shapes, I'm going to select the square. Then I'm going to just resize it so that it covers the entire canvas. Then I'm going to change the color of my shape to a darker color. So I'm going to give it this color here. Now, the next thing I want to do is to make this shape go below my logo. So I'm going to select position, layers, and just drag it below my logo, just like that. Now, since this is an overlay, it needs to have an opacity. So what I'm going to do from here is to go up to the top of this bar, select transparency, and just lower this a bit. So now I have a nice overlay on the image, which makes the logo kind of pop out a bit more. The next thing I want to do is to just add accent elements to this. So these are the things that I don't mind getting cut off, but it kind of just adds a little bit more, to the design. So let's go back to uploads. I'm scrolling all the way down. The first thing I'm going to do is to add a few clouds. So this is a cloud I generated in Adobe After Effects. So I'm going to bring it here. I'm also going to duplicate it again, and create something like this. Then I want to group these. So I'm going to go ahead and select each of them. So I select the first one, hold down on shift, select the second and the third. Then I'm going to right click and select group. And now I can right click this and duplicate it so I can move it over to the left side as well. So now I have my clouds. Then I want to add my little bird on a rock. So back to my uploads, I'm going to go ahead and add the rock first. Make it a bit bigger so it can stretch more across the screen like this. Then I'm going to add my bird. I want my bird to face the other way around, so I'm going to go up to flip and select flip horizontal. Now I'm going to make him stand just right there, so let's make him a bit smaller like that and make him stand on the rock just right there. I can also bring in a small branch, something like this. And then what I want to do is to blur this branch. So I'm going to go to edit, go to blur, whole image, and then just blur this a bit. Because now this is in the foreground of the image. Close that, and now I have something like this. And there it is. That's how easy it is for you to create this type of design in Canva. Now let's create our logo. The Facebook logo should be 170 pixels by 170 pixels. This time we'll be using the custom size. So if I go to custom size here, I can put in the custom size that I want to use, and that will make it a whole lot easier for me to just create a specific size for my design. So I just enter 170 pixels here and 170 pixels for the height and select create new design. From here, again, you are given different templates based on the current design that you have, and you can select whichever one you want and you can just start editing from there. But I'm just going to create one from scratch. So I'm going to go to my uploads. I'm going to select this design that I have in here so that I can get the color from it. Go to elements, select my shape. I want to drag it to make it cover the entire canvas here. Then I want to go to position, layers, and now I can delete this. Then I go back to my uploads and select my logo. I want to make sure that this is in the center here, or if you don't want to use a word logo here, you can just use your logo mark. In my case, it's this little pen icon here. So I just make sure that it's in the center, and then I can just go to share, download, and download. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to create your logo. So just save this, and then let's go over to Facebook to upload them. Back in Facebook, now we're back in Facebook. So let's go ahead and upload our newly created cover photo and also our profile image. To do that, go to edit. Then for profile picture, select edit. Then select upload photo and select your logo. Hit open. And once it's loaded up like this, you can just go ahead and hit save. You can also crop in your image just a bit. And then once you're satisfied with that, you can hit save. And there we have it. Our logo has been changed out. Let's do the same thing for our cover photo. Select edit, then at cover photo, select edit, select upload photo, then select your Facebook banner and click open. There we have our banner now loaded up. Let's go ahead and hit save, and we can close this. And there you have it. Now we have a beautiful cover photo and also a beautiful logo here in Facebook. And if you view this on your mobile device, you will also see that it is resized and the image in digital will not be cut off. There's one more thing that you need to know. When you upload your cover photo and you upload your logo, they're also posted on your page. So if you scroll down, you will see that these are posts. Now, if you don't want these to be showing on your page as posts, you can go ahead and select this icon here and then select hide from page. Select this icon again and select hide from page. And there we have it. Now you have your cover photo and your logo uploaded. It's not being shown on your page as posts, and your Facebook business page now looks a whole lot better. If you like this video, do remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and do leave a comment letting me know what you think. You can ask me any questions as well, and I'll get back to them. So until the next video, do take care.